Ciao and welcome to the Milano Cortina 2026 Winter Paralympic Games in Italy.
All right, everyone. I haven't been in a cold place in a while. Just landed in JFK. Walked a mile to get to baggage claim. Still walking, so proud about a mile and a half. Sweat my leg off. Forgot what it's like to be a Paralympian traveling. Friday, the games begin. Stay tuned. You better watch. Ragazzi, buonasera. I was making a video on my walk back from the Target in Stamford, Connecticut. It's rainy. I'm on the East Coast. There's a lot of friction as far as accessibility. I'm hearing people speak Italian. I'm basically in Milan and Cortina and all the other places. That's it.
Welcome back. USA Sled Hockey, one of the most dominant forces in sports today, gets off to a great start in Milan. Declan Farmer lights the lamp for the first goal of their tournament. The Americans lead Italy 2-0 after one. Welcome back to our studio here. Earlier today, Team USA took on...
It was after the first event of the Winter Olympic Games from last month, and now for this month, Milano Cortina 2026 Winter Paralympic Games has arrived.
Hey friends, if you watched the Winter Paralympic opening ceremony and you're looking for me, and you didn't see me, that's because I wasn't there. I was in my hotel room watching it along with you. It was amazing. It was incredible. I wept watching Sophie Adena when she spoke to the delegation. So amazing games ahead. You can catch me live. Ooh, my battery's dying. That's because it knows I need to go to bed, because I will be live at 4 a.m. Eastern, 1 a.m. Pacific for a few hours, and then we'll toss it off. That is my shift. You can catch it on Peacock as well if you want to go to sleep. And that's what I'm about to do. So have a great night.